Hi students, I thought we could practice some more exercises on how to match a topic sentence with supporting details. So what I suggest you do is you take a piece of paper and you write the words visual, which is right here, interpersonal and intrapersonal, and leave some space between each of those words so that underneath you can write 5 numbers or 4 numbers. Okay? So what we're basically going to do is we're going to read these topic sentences, which are right here. And then these sentences below, we're going to decide whether they go with the visual sentence, the interpersonal sentence, or the intrapersonal sentence. So let's look at what's going on in this picture. In this first picture, a woman is painting. And she says, my primary intelligence is visual. This is somebody who likes the arts and likes to see things, okay, and can envision things. For number 2, in this picture, we have a person speaking with a bunch of other people, and he says, my strongest intelligence is interpersonal, which means he enjoys communicating and interacting with others. And in picture number 3, we have a young woman here who is writing in her journal. And she says, my main intelligence is intrapersonal, which means that she likes being by herself. Okay? So you have written down the word visual, interpersonal, and intrapersonal, and then put some numbers next to it. And we're going to look at the sentences and decide which one it goes with. Okay? I don't mind spending time alone. Is that person visual, interpersonal, or intrapersonal? This is number 1, so you would write 1 under intrapersonal. Number 2, I get my best ideas from talking with other people. Okay, if you like to interact with other people, are you visual, interpersonal, or intrapersonal? Write the number under the word. Number 3, I learn best when we watch videos in class or when the teacher brings in pictures. So this person likes visual. Okay, so you see how the worksheet has done it for you. So number 3 is visual. This person likes to see things. Number 4, I need time to reflect on my work and think about how to improve. Is that person visual, if you're reflecting, working with other people, interpersonal, or intrapersonal? Okay. Number 5, I usually need time to make a decision. Okay. Is that visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? Write the number under the word. I'm good at communicating with people. Is that visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? I use diagrams in my notebooks to organize information. A diagram is a small drawing. Okay, so would that person be visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? Write 7 under the word. Number 8, I've always had an aptitude for art. Okay, that person is visual. Again, they did it for you, so you don't have to. Number 8 goes here. Number 9, in class, I love talking with other students and discussing our opinions. Is that person visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? Write number 9 under one of the words. In the future, I want to be a counselor. A counselor is somebody who works with other people and helps them be the best they can be. So in the future, I want to be a counselor. Number 10, is that visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? On weekends, I like to go to the park and draw pictures. Visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal? And number 12, I don't like joining in group discussions. Okay, so let's go back and review the answers. I don't mind spending time alone is intrapersonal. I get my best ideas from talking with other people, is you put the 2 here, interpersonal. I learn best when we watch videos in class or when the teacher brings in pictures, is number 3, visual. Number 4, I need time to reflect on my work and think about how to improve, is intrapersonal, so you'd write the 4 here. Number 5, I usually need time to make a decision. That's probably intrapersonal, 5. But if you had to talk to other people, it could be interpersonal. That's not real clear to me, but I think we'll go with 5. 6, I'm good at communicating with people, is interpersonal. Write that there. 7, I use diagrams in my notebooks to organize information. The worksheet did it for you right there. 8, I've always had an aptitude for art. That's visual. 9, in class, I love talking with other students and discussing our opinions. 9 is interpersonal. 10, in the future, I want to be a counselor. To be a counselor, you definitely would have to have interpersonal skills. 11, on weekends, I like to go to the park and draw pictures. That would be visual. And 12, I don't like joining in group discussions. Someone who prefers to be alone would be intrapersonal. I hope this helps you understand both how you can have multiple details under each topic sentence, and also to just sharpen your understanding of what visual, interpersonal, and intrapersonal is. Have a good day.